Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to configure Visual Studio Code for Angular application development. First, I'm going to create a Angular application, and then we are going to set up our Visual Code. So first, I'm going to create our Angular application by using ng command with the new, and then we will add our project application name. That will be hello world for us. It's gonna be hello dash world, and just hit enter. For now, I will go with the default option. It is asking, would you like to add a Angular routing? I will say no for this time. And it is asking which style sheet format you like to use. I will go with CSS. Our application created successfully. We can now use development server to serve our application. I will just clear the terminal and we'll navigate to the hello world project folder, and over here I'm going to type ng serve. This will start our development server. Our server started successfully and it can be accessed at this address over here, localhost, and port is 4200. So I'm just going to cancel it because we are going to open it in our Visual Studio Code. I'm just going to clear our terminal and start Visual Studio Code. My Visual Studio Code ID is started, and I can go over here on Manage and click on Extensions. I will add an extension for Angular. Here for we can search for extensions. So I will search for Angular Essentials extension. And here it is, the one I'm looking for, by John Papa. So I will install this one over here, uh, the essential one. The one says Angular Essentials by John Papa, and click on install. It will take a while, and after it's done, this will change to uninstall. So we are going to wait for it. The extension is installed successfully. We can see the uninstall over here. So we can just close it and open our product. And we can go to the file, and from here open folder, and we are going to select that hello world folder. that we created for our application. I just selected that folder, hello world. This one, we can see the content inside. And now I'm just going to click OK. And we can see the folder over here and the directory structure. And we can also click the source. I will just close this one over here and open a terminal. We can go to the terminal over here and click on new terminal. And you can click on these directories to see the files inside. Over here on terminal, I can type the ngserve command and we can run our development server from here too. You can see we are inside our hello world folder where our application was created for us with ng. So I'm going to type ng and then serve and just hit enter. And after our server start, we can open this URL localhost colon 4200 in your browser, and we can see our app is running. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.